bet. Top slot multiply. Now outcome of the spin gotta be same thing. You cover it with a bet. So that would be the bet. Oh, come on. We've got a crazy time for the second time in nearly 10 spins. So I'm going to open the door for you. You go checking if how to play zone, and I hope you will win it all. Let's play. Welcome back to Crazy World. 64 segments of this beautiful wheel are getting filled with doubles and multipliers. Again, last time I got 20x on green and blue flopper, 50x on a yellow flopper. So choose the flopper this time. Choose by yourself or leave that choice on the hands-free or auto pick. Anyways, your bet that you gave on time to Crazy Town will be paid back with a multiplier in a moment. First, let's do the spin. I wish you the best of luck with getting doubles. That's up to 100x to go right now. Good luck. X for green and yellow flopper each. Good job, guys. Hey, blue flopper, really good job. You catch a double. Everything gets doubled. So now that's up to 200x to go. Blue flopper gets another spin. I wish you to get another double. Go get it, blue flopper! Another double for the blue flopper. And once again, the double all over everything. Up to 400x to go. Already, blue flopper, you keep on spinning and hopefully getting another doubles. Up to 400x right now. Go double, go blue flopper. And that's a 4. The betting time is opened. Well, you never know if to spin a bit faster or to spin a bit slower to reach anything. But you can use your intuition and seeing the game history and remembering about the amount of the segments here to try to guess what will happen next. We had only 2 once in the last 10 rounds, and both happened in the last 3 rounds. Spinners made coin flip got a 25x from the top slot. Well, that would be amazing. Will it? Well, that please turn to be coin flip bonus round. Please, 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 please. And stay on a coin flip, please. Oh, yes, everybody. My honor to take you to the coin flip station. And that will be multiplied by 25x on each of the multis. Welcome back. That's amazing. Okay, are you excited? We just can't hide it. Okay, basically that's 5x on blue, 20x on red, times 25 on everything. So on blue that's 125x, on red that's 500. Please, please, X, let it be red. That's. Can we please? I'm hoping we can. We can. Will we? Please. Yes, 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 yes. I'm speechless. That's 7x Crazy Time. I'm taking you to. Oh, welcome back. Oh, I love this thing. I love you when it's okay. 64 segments got doubles. I did triples now. Doubles and multipliers. Everything gets multiplied by 7 straight away. Oh, if he gave it a bet, you're gonna get money back with a multi, with a sweet multi. Okay, choose the flopper you're gonna play with. Green, blue, or yellow. You are deciding. You are picking a flopper. If you can't decide, your hands are busy because you celebrate or anything else. You're gonna get 1 random flopper anyways. Anyways, you're gonna get a payout. I wish you to get those doubles, but that's already up to 700x to catch. Good luck with the spin, ladies and gentlemen. Whoa. 175x for the blue flopper, good job. 245x for yellow, good job. Green flopper, even better job, you got a double. That's up to 1.4k x at the moment. Still there are doubles, and green flopper gets another spin. Good luck! Oh my! Holy spin! 700x for the green flopper. Get out, that's amazing. 1,856 of you got it. Congratulations!